Yeah, I gotta do a voiceover on this because it's just so windy. It's too noisy. But yeah, I gotta wear a mask because all the dust storms, all the things that's flying, and you don't want to inhale that. So you gotta wear the mask. Yeah, so it's just a little protection, guys, because you don't want to inhale all that, and next you know it's gonna go to your lungs as well. So it's important. So you guys see right there in the back, the sky, the clouds. It's kind of like brown. Those are not probably a combination of rain clouds, and at the same time it's dust. You see that? That's a lot of dust. So yeah, you don't want to inhale that, guys, and get sick. You gotta protect your lungs from the elements. So yeah, what I'm gonna show you guys, we'll go around, and currently right now everything's so windy, probably up to what, 50 miles an hour, and some of the silt fence are down as well, and anticipating, is that the right word, anticipating more things will go down and fly away, and you know we're gonna be missing things again because the wind took it. But yeah, it's a challenge living here in the desert, off grid. But you know what? It is what it is. Just got to deal with it. I just got to learn how to do that and deal with it and take care of it the next day. So just trying to stay positive. You know, times are tough. Windstorm and rain's coming again. Well, it's here actually. Broke part of the silt fence, and already one on the other side as well. Yeah, we're supposed to get rain today. What's crazy, we are getting wind storm as well. Now I guess that's part of living here in the desert, high desert. It is what it is, you know. Just gotta deal with it and find solutions, I guess. Yeah, life is tough out here. But thank you guys for all the support, though. Really, deep in our hearts, thank you guys. Well, I guess I'll show you guys the aftermath again of the devastation here. You guys can hear it. It's crazy. Oh well, it is what it is. Well, I want to show you guys right quick. I did put this post as well. Put a light over there, but I'm gonna put some street lights right on top, and there's one more that I put right there. So I put a light as well, but I'm gonna put a street light, solar street light. Yeah, it's crazy, crazy wind. Yeah, dust cloud, dust storm. Yeah, I put one more right here. I just put that light there for now. We're gonna put a solar street light over there. And well, everything's down again. Everything's down again. Yeah, I think that's it, guys. I don't know if you guys can hear me. It's just too much wind, so I don't think it's gonna be good audio. Say thank you guys for watching, and make sure to subscribe and leave a comment. You know, I need talk to me, guys. You know, maybe a little bit of encouragement. So if ever you guys are ever around Antelope Valley, hit me up. We love donations. If you guys have any used pallets that you guys want to donate, what else we need? Used pots, trees, big trees or something like that, totes, water, solar lights, things that we need here, to start living our life here in the desert. Right now it's kind of tough, but yeah, especially this wind storm, this rain's about to come, and it's just messing everything up. So if you guys have any used sheds that you guys can bring over, we'll appreciate that as well. Storage spaces, outdoor furnitures, tables, outdoor tables, anything that's outside, because we can't really have anything indoor. So anything that's outdoor, we'll appreciate that. So again, if you guys ever in Antelope Valley, hit me up, leave a comment or send us an email at solidgoldshows@yahoo.com. So yeah, we'll greatly appreciate that, guys, and I will make sure to do a video, and thank you guys for that. All right, guys, don't forget, subscribe and share the videos. Thank you guys for watching.